Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tune into the Crypto Flight Edition. Your fellow passengers stopping in. Bitcoin has gone higher ever since we posted our last video. It appears that the market just doesn't want to stop. We're going to be the one level that it needs to close above, at least a 12-hour or a daily candle above a specific level. We're going to go over that in this video. Welcome back if you're a loyal subscriber. If you're new here, consider joining us. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, and let's pull up the lines. All right, that's it. Super simple. What we're following is the regression trend. In fact, here's the last video that we posted when the price was April the 9th, just yesterday. It was $58,900. If you know that, notice that little black arrow, just simply pointing out the midpoint right over here where the price action is. It appears that it's on its way to. Let me make that a different color. Yeah, like right up here to $62,000 even, and like $8. So if it can actually make it up to that level, then it's likely it will continue to do what it has done in the past. It appears that every single time the market breaks above this, the red line right here in the middle between the red and the green, I'm sorry, the red, I can't see there, the red and the blue area, like that midpoint there. As soon as it breaks up above there and it kind of closes, yeah, you can notice that every single time it happens, it just kind of finds resistance at the overhead level here. It just kind of comes down. So that's what I'm expecting to see potentially here, as long as it can stay above the $60,000 level. It appears that it wants to have a little issue here at a $60,000. So let me just kind of put a line there so you can actually see it. So somewhere like right around, there. So it's like smack dab in the middle there. So yeah, if it can stay above that level, then yeah, it'll continue to go higher. The only thing I was noticing is on the CME futures. I guess I'll pull it up here. So the CME futures, it actually closed $58,760. Will that be a concern? Well, I mean, it's gonna create like a gap, right? I mean, gaps are. I mean, a lot of people argue gaps, but I think we just need to give the price action some time. If it's going to create a gap in the CME futures, I guess that's something that we would need to take note of definitely when, because I mean, I'm pretty sure BTC can't go up forever, guys. I realize I'm actually long BTC. We bought BTC back in March 2020. We've just been holding strong. There's nothing else for us to really do other than play like little small swings in the market, but we hold BTC. But we do realize that at some point it will likely have a high that will likely come down and have a pretty interesting retracement in the market. So we're just prepared for that. I mean, we still haven't sold any, right? But that's what we're looking forward to seeing at some point here in the future. So I don't have a crystal ball, but I will keep my eye on the price action for you guys to determine where that level will be. Are we there yet? I don't really think we're there yet. I don't really think we're even close there, honestly. But yes, again, if it breaks above 62,000 and it stays above it, then depending on how long it actually takes, if it just kind of blasts off immediately up to the top of the line here at the blue level, or the blue area, but at the top of the line, it's going to be at like $70,400 right near this level right here. Guys, this is not a video indicating that BTC is going to explode and break out right now. It's just simply pointing out the level. So please, have some sort of strategy as you are entering these markets, especially if you're using high leverage. So yeah, just understand what you get yourself into. But I'd say, yeah, $60,000 right now is going to be the level that it truly needs to stay above in order for it to continue higher. And I think we covered that. So I think that's pretty much it. Let's take a quick look at the RSI. It still has not broken above this kind of, I can see like a level somewhere like right around there. If you notice, like every single time it kind of gets above it, it breaks down, finds resistance, and it just kind of breaks down. This level right here is like literally right up against it. If you take notes, it's 60.95 on the daily RSI. The daily candles is what I'm looking at. If we pull up the 12-hour, maybe we can see something a little bit different. Okay, but yeah, still like the resistance points is pretty much the same there, you see? Like all these resistance points. It still hasn't broken above it yet, so the market may be under a little bit of resistance. It's at a resistance. It's at a level where it has found resistance more than 3 times. You can count it. 1, March 30th. 2 here, April the 2nd. And, of course, 3, most recent, April the 10th. So will it break through right now? Let's just give it about 24 to 48 hours. And then, of course, we'll revisit the charts and see how everything's looking. But so far, yeah, the bulls don't appear to want to like back down from the price right now, guys. So just, I guess, grab something. Stay tuned to the price action here. It's getting really interesting and it's very bullish. So I'm going to say that the market is going to continue higher, at least test or obliterate 62,000 within the next 72 hours is my prediction. So that's all I have for you. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Leave an appropriate thumb in the comment to support with the channel, with the YouTube algorithm. It picks up and promotes the videos. So thank you for that. And if we can earn your subscription, we'd love for you to join us here as we cover the altcoins along with BTC and Ethereum at time as well. So take care of yourselves, protect your portfolios, execute your strategies. We're going to talk soon. Bye for now.